Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to discuss the jobs announced on 1st March 2021. These advertisements are the snippets taken from the newspapers. You have to go to jobsandcareerhub.blogspot.com and you will see the first post. Here is the 23 new jobs in different public sector departments. You have to click on read more. When you click on read more, you will see this post. So the first job is in 31180 company. So then there is a need of civil driver and retired Fauji driver. The next advertisement is in Islamic University of Bahawalpur. You can see this advertisement clearly on their own websites because this is a very lengthy advertisement and I cannot take a great snippet. The next advertisement is for UDC or lineman in Sindh, or one is in Merit. The next job is for medical and dental college hospital. There is a need of professors, medical officers, demonstrators, staff nurses, computer operators, assistant manager. You can send your CVs to this website. The next job is of principal job, which is in FWO Model School, the Govt. The next is in 474 Engineers Battalion, Okada Kent. There is a need of mess waiter in Okada or Sahiwal. The next job is of faculty required in Kent Public Educational Institute, Taxila Cantonment Board. There is a need of principal, senior teacher for chemistry and maths. You can just fill up this form. The next job is of project director in Federal Employees Benevolent and Group Insurance Funds. The next job is in HEC Pakistan. So there is a need of a regional representative or members. You can go to their website and see their jobs. The next job is in applications or invited in BPS 18, BPS 18 or 19, financial psychologists. The next job is in Karachi Shipyard Engineering Works Limited. There is a need of manager machine shop. So you have qualification of BE mechanical or MS. You have 10 years of experience. There is another job you can see here. The next job is in Joint Testing Services Pakistan. There is need of a regional manager, regional coordinator. You can go to their website jtspark.org.pk. The next job is in Combined Military Hospital, Ahmedabad. You have this job has BPS 12, BPS 12, BPS 7, BPS 1 and BPS 1 pay scale. The next job is in Park Qatar Takaful, and there is a need of relation manager or relationship of manager. So you have the qualification of master's degree in business from reputable institution. The next job is in Park Microfinance Bank Limited. You have to go to this website and there is a need of official or senior officer operations. The next job is in Pakistan National Shipping Corporation. There is a need of general manager. You have at least 2 years of experience in sailing experience as a chief engineer on board of tankers. The next job of nurses assistants, you can go to their website and see what is there. The next job is in University of Education Lahore. They are hiring the visiting faculty for spring semester. The next is of hiring job in Chief Internal Auditor LESCO. So you have to see these job profile and qualifications required for this job. The next is junior clerk scale BPS Muzaffarabad, and there are 2 jobs vacant, and for open merit there are also 2 jobs vacant. The next job is of technician, radiology or radiation therapy technicians are required. So he have minimum experience of 3 years after diploma. So these are all the jobs which are in 1st March 2021 newspapers. So you have to go to jobsandcareershub.blogspot.com. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.